Hey traders, hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. And let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Head and shoulder pattern has been completed and it is a valid head and shoulder pattern. Inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a bullish pattern, left shoulder, head, rejection, and a right shoulder. Now the next step is the entry conditions. Now there are two ways we can enter the head and shoulder pattern. Number one is aggressive entry, which is right from here. I'll be looking to enter my bullish engulfers or a pin bar or a 382 candle. That's it. I want to look for my entry condition. Strong entry will be bullish engulfing candle within this rejection box. Once we have that, we are good to go long for our trades. Awesome. So as you can see, the head and shoulder pattern has been played out, is still playing out, and as you can see, we have a price pushing up. Now personally, I don't see a very strong entry condition, but it did play out from the head and shoulder pattern and out of this rejection box, and with this bullish engulfing candle right here, and using some discretion, that can be used as an entry candle, but a weak and risky entry. Looking at the ATR is 5.7. Price did push up from here more than 1 to 2 ATR. Now personally, I would like to keep my stop loss below this pattern, which is right here. Take profit 1 to 1 initially and then manage it. That's totally up to you. For now, just to give you a heads up, price can still come back and retest this pattern and then form another bullish engulfer, a strong bullish engulfer, and that can still push up from here. So still bullish, not taking any sell trades, and price is reacting out of this head and shoulder pattern, and I'm still expecting a price to at least hit this rejection box, which is right here. And the next entry will be once we are completely broken above with the candle to close above. If we have that, a candle closed above this rejection box, the price will then likely hit a next level of minor resistance, which is right here, 2.768. That goes up to 2.859, from where we're going to look for our sell conditions and where we look for our bearish engulfer or pin bar. So that's what I'll be expecting from natural gas. Still expecting a price to push higher from here, but again, heads up, if the price pulls back here, I will still look for one more entry condition, which is my bullish engulfing pattern, and that will be my aggressive head and shoulder pattern entry. So keep an eye. We can now expect a price to push up from here. Looking at this pin bar, but again, the target of 1.5 ATR has been hit. If you're managing it, that's a good idea to manage it till this termination zone right up there. Here on capital.com, exactly the same engulfing candle, and price is pushing up and expecting a price to at least hit our termination zone, which is right up there, from where we can expect some good pullbacks before the price will head higher once broken above this termination box, which is right here, the number you can see in blue. That is 2.832. That goes to 2.864. Once broken above, we have a likely chance the price will hit this recent highs, from where we will start to look for our double top entries, a pullback before the price will shoot up after a good pullback from here. So still expecting a price to push up from here, not taking any sell to it as long as we are above this yellow box, which I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out and mark these zones, these yellow zones on your charts as well. In case you missed it, this yellow zone is right here, 2.498. That goes to 2.631, which is our trend continuation bullish area. NEMEX right here is pushing up, as you can see, with this trend line, but not with an head and shoulder pattern. So here on this platform, if you are trading, just expect a price to push up from here, which I'm expecting from right from here. Once we hit this box, we can start to look for our double top entry patterns with bearish engulfers or 382 candles from here. So that's what I'm expecting. Not taking any sell trades as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA and above this trend line, and also above this zone. For the complete bearish momentum, I want to see a dramatic fall below this zone. That is why I'm just looking for my buying opportunities. Just a pullback trades. If we have a pullback, bullish engulfer, we're going to go long till we are here, then start to look for the sell trades, which I've just mentioned how to enter your sell trades with conditions only. Next one, we have silver. Silver has now in the zone that has been mentioned yesterday, and as you can see, the price formed double bottom pattern, not on 4-hour time frame but on 1-hour time frame. So we have one ATR target has been hit right here, 1-to-1 has been hit as well. If you look here, 1-to-1 target has been hit. Now we can also expect a target to push up at least and hit 1.4-to-1. That is what I expect from these major zones in case you are managing this trade. But target of 1-to-1 has been hit as mentioned yesterday, and let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Price can still push down at the lower level and then forms a condition like bullish engulfers or double bottom at the zone which is 28.71 that goes to 29.72. So it is a zone where the silver is currently inside of. All I want to see bullish engulfers or double bottom for my buy trades. Nice one. So as you can see how nicely the price pushed up with the condition we've been mentioning from last couple of days. A zone was also sent to my members to look for the possible buy trades. Now very important for the next bullish continuation trades, we want to see a complete break above 50 EMA for the possible continuation towards the upside. Now it's a very likely chance the price will hit 50 EMA, forms a bearish engulfer and then push back down and forms a double bottom on 4-hour time frame. So we had a double bottom on 1-hour time frame, but we can expect double bottoms on 4-hour as well. So that is why 50 EMA is an area which is a hurdle for us for a price where we can get a rejection. If we have a bearish engulfer, I'm going to enter short trade. I'm going to go short till this area from where I'll exit and look for my next entry conditions. So that is what I'll be looking at once we have a condition at 50 EMA till where I'm expecting a price to head to. Now the zone below, in case you have missed this zone, it is right here, the trend continuation bullish area, 28.71 that goes to 29.72 from where the price is currently inside of. Lastly, we have gold. Gold is now pushing up and above 50 EMA. Now for me, it is very important to look for a price to break above this high. Once we are broken above this high, only then I'll start to look for my bullish pullback trades. Otherwise, I'm just staying away from gold until I see a good confirmation and condition for my next entry. So I'm not in the trade for gold, but once we are broken above these high, only then I'm going to start to look for my pullback entry bullish. Now that aggressive head and shoulder pattern entry wouldn't have been played out if you are wondering. So that is why I'm not looking for any trades. So for now, once we are broken above, we're going to start to look for the pullback entry bullish only. So wait with patience. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Not taking any sell trades now, as now we are above 50 EMA. Sell trades will be only once the price completely break and close below these lows. Otherwise, just look for buy trades once we are completely broken above these highs. Lastly, we have crude oil. It's nicely pushing up to 50% retracement. So let's mark the Fibonacci tool again right here. Something like this. So price is now heading towards a 50% retracement from where, if you are an aggressive trader, that is your sell limit order. Right here, targets can be 180 or you can take it to 786 retracement. That's totally up to you. But if you want to manage it, that is how my target will look like. Something like this for the long term perspective. So this is something for an aggressive traders. But if you're not an aggressive trader, just look for a simple pullback which we are now getting below 50 EMA. Wherever we get below 50 EMA with bearish engulfer, we're going to go short using 1 to 2 ATR for the targets. The buy trades will only happen once we are completely broken above 50 EMA. Otherwise, just looking at the zone below, which is right here for the possible buy counter trades, 68.67 that goes to 70.34 from where we're going to look for our counter trades like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. So just look for sell trades with the condition I've just mentioned. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If you hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.